In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily find and replace words in Google Sheets. This is a super handy skill, especially when you're dealing with large data sets or need to make consistent edits across a spreadsheet. So let's dive right in. To start, we're going to use a simple keyboard shortcut to bring up the Find and Replace dialog box. First, make sure you're in your Google Sheets document. Once there, press Ctrl and H at the same time. If you're using a Mac, you can use Command and H. This quick shortcut will open up the dialog box we need for this task. Now, with the dialog box open, you'll see two main fields. The first field is where you enter the word or phrase you're looking for, essentially the word you want to find in your sheet. Once you've typed this in, move on to the next field. This is where you input the word or phrase you'd like to replace it with. It could be a correction, an update, or a completely new entry. Once you've filled in both fields, you have a couple of options to consider. If you'd like to make this change across the entire spreadsheet file, including all the different tabs or sheets, you'll want to select the entire document option. This ensures that every occurrence of the word or phrase you want to replace is updated everywhere in the file. However, if you want to limit the changes to just the sheet you're currently working in, you should select the This Sheet option. This is especially useful if you have different data sets in separate sheets and don't want to accidentally replace words across unrelated data. When you're ready, simply click on the Replace All button. Google Sheets will then go through the document or sheet, depending on the option you've chosen, and replace all occurrences of the word or phrase you specified. Within moments, all the necessary updates will be complete, saving you the time and effort of having to locate each instance manually. It's important to remember that this tool is case-sensitive by default. So, if you have variations of the word with different capitalizations, you'll need to account for those. You can toggle the case sensitivity feature in the dialog box to match your needs if necessary. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you can efficiently manage words and phrases throughout your Google Sheets document. This feature not only makes editing quicker, but also ensures consistency across your datasets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful for your future Google Sheets endeavors.